In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscription products on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to offer a recurring service or a unique subscription box, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. So, let's dive in and set up your subscription product the right way. First things first, you'll need to open Squarespace and ensure that you're logged into your account. Having access to your account is crucial for making any modifications and setting up your products successfully. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage. This is your central hub for managing everything concerning your website. From the homepage, navigate to the Products and Services section. This is where you'll manage all aspects of what your business offers to customers. Click on Products. You'll notice an Add Product button prominently displayed on the page. Go ahead and click it. This button is your gateway to adding new items, whether they're one-off purchases or subscription offerings. If you're planning to offer a subscription service, you'll select the subscription option from the list of product types. This option allows you to set up recurring billing and delivery, which is the backbone of any subscription-based business. However, keep in mind that if the subscription option isn't directly visible, you might consider alternatives such as a group event or service, depending on what aligns best with your business model. These options can still facilitate recurring interactions with your customers, even if they're not labeled as a subscription. Once you've decided on the appropriate category for your product, you'll move on to filling in all the necessary information. This step is essential to ensure everything is properly set up, allowing for a seamless customer experience. You'll need to provide details like the product name, which should be descriptive and catchy, moving on to an engaging and informative description. Clearly define what the subscription includes to attract potential customers. Pricing is another critical element. You'll want to decide on a pricing strategy that reflects the value of your offering while remaining competitive. Additionally, consider if there are any other specifics relevant to what you're providing. This could include delivery intervals, specific features of the subscription, or targeted customer benefits. All this information helps in painting a complete picture for your audience, making them more inclined to subscribe. By following these instructions carefully, you'll have a well-structured subscription product ready to launch on Squarespace. Remember, setting up your subscription product is just the beginning. Ensure you keep an eye on user engagement and feedback to continually refine and enhance your offering. Thanks for watching today's guide, and happy creating on Squarespace.